Okay, in this video I would like to go over our Metrc integration specifically for our California customers because Metrc is coming online soon. So step one of the Metrc integration is enabling the API. So you'll do that by clicking on your initials, you'll go to location settings, and then you'll click on API. Here you'll see Metrc, and this is where you enter your API key. So you'll get this key by going into your Metrc account and generating an API key. Once you generate that key, you'll come back into Weave here and you'll type it in and you'll hit save. Once you save that, this saves your key. Now Metrc is not enabled just yet, so this won't really affect Weave at all. You could still receive packages as you did before. Once you enable it up here and save, now Metrc is hooked up to Weave and we're all ready to go. Once you have the Metrc API enabled, you can go into your inventory and start receiving the inventory from your Metrc. So here you can hit add inventory, and this is where you will scan your package tag. Before, Weave was just generating this automatically, and now you're going to scan that Metrc tag that comes with your package. Once you hit next, this will reach out to Metrc and get the package for you. So if you have not pulled that package into your Metrc location yet, you'll probably get an error that will say something along this, that will say package not found. You'll have to make sure that you have received your package into your Metrc first. Once you make sure that the package is in your Metrc and Weave has been able to successfully find that package, you'll be brought to this screen. Here we will automatically populate the vendor and the unit of measure for you, so you won't have to fill these out. You'll just need to double check that they are accurate, and then you can fill out these fields if you would like to at this point. Once you hit looks good, this will be the exact same package receive as it was before. You'll select your products, build your package, and receive it. Then, once you receive your package with the Metrc API, you'll see this new field here that says government quantity. That is simply your metric quantity for this package. We just provide that so that you guys can have an easy comparison between your Weave and your metric quantity to make sure everything is looking good. The last part of the Metrc integration is going to be pushing your sales to Metrc. So you can do that by going to transactions, and down here on the bottom right we have export transactions. And we have two options. One is Metrc push. This is going to be a one-click push to Metrc for all of the transactions for this date range. And the other is the Metrc CSV export. So you'll click on that and that'll download a CSV to your computer with all the transactions for that date range. This will just allow you to review all the information, make sure it's correct before you upload it. Once you decide this looks good, you'll go into Metrc and you'll upload this file directly, and that'll push all your sales for that given date range. If you decide to use the Metrc push functionality, you can view all of those in the Compliance tab. So you'll click Compliance and you'll go over here to API pushes. Here you'll see any pushes for the date range that's selected, so you can see the one that I did today. It shows a status of pending. Here we'll see either pending, error, or success. If there's an error, there will be a description of that error, and you'll have to fix that manually and then re-upload your sales using the Metrc CSV functionality. If you have any questions about the Weave Metrc API integration, please feel free to contact us. We will have all that information in the description of this video.